Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a comment section to the new Google Sites in the 2026 layout. Google Sites still doesn't have a built-in comment feature, but there are a few clean workarounds. The first and easiest method is Google Forms. Just create a form with a short answer comment field, then embed it into your site. All comments go straight into a connected Google Sheet. If you want a more traditional comment system with replies and user accounts, use disks. Create a disks account, copy the embed code, and paste it into Google Sites using the embed tool. It looks like a real comment section and supports login with Google or Facebook. For private teams or classrooms, you can embed a Google Doc or slide and turn on commenting so people can leave comments directly inside the embedded file. Preview your site to test everything, and when it all looks good, publish it. And that's it. That's how to add a comment section to the new Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.